We are going to see how to use Python with MongoDB. It's very simple. MongoDB team has given a clear set of examples to do the same. So on Googling for PyMongo, you'll be able to see this link, PyMongo MongoDB API. Click on that. So this is a documentation page for PyMongo. As I said earlier, clear examples are given over here by the MongoDB team. And similarly, the installation steps are all explained over here. I'm going to demonstrate how Python works with MongoDB using 3 simple examples. The first one is a CRUD demo. The second one is bulk operations. And the third one is the important one, that is gridfs demo. So let's start with the basic one, that is CRUD demo.py. I'm using the PyCharm IDE over here. Let me walk through the code. The first step is to import Mongo client and version from PyMongo package, and then I have given a print for version. Then we are connecting the Mongo client to the local host. Following that, I'll be connecting to the database. In my case, the database is InventoryDB, and I'll be using this one, products best selling. So this is the collection I'll be using for demonstration. The first step, it's going to get the total number of documents. So like we do in the command line, here also we are going to do the same. So db.productsbestselling.find and then a count. So that is going to give you the total documents here. Let me do the same over here. On running this, we must see the count. So that's 15 here. That's in the command prompt of NoSQL Booster. And the second thing is we are going to filter the query based on this particular condition where name is Amazon Fire 7. So what I have did is db.productsbestselling. So this is a collection name, and then I have called the find method, and I'm passing the filter query as a parameter here. So let's do the same in the Mongo Booster. I mean the NoSQL Booster. So no records are there currently. So let me give a query for Amazon Fire TV here. So Fire TV. So we got it. I'll be doing the same here. Then we have a filter to list out the products with price greater than 100. So let me copy the same query over here to NoSQL Booster, and on running I must be able to see the records here. So the same query is copied to the Python code also. That's the beauty of this. And then we have update query over here. Instead of Fire 7, I'm going to change this Fire TV. So to cross check it, I'm just going to copy the same code over here and execute in NoSQL Booster. On running this, yes, it has been updated. Following this, we have insert and then finally delete. So this is the main thing you need to remember in Python using MongoDB, is that you can simply copy the queries from your command line directly to the Python code. The only thing to note is that you may need to use the single quote or double quote for the key value. So that's the only thing. This code is available in the resources section. Please use that. So it's very, very simple to work with Python and MongoDB. You can simply copy the queries from your MongoDB command line directly to the Python code. Following this, we have bulk operation. Bulk operation is very simple. I have just imported insert1 from PyMongo library. Then I have called the bulk write method over here. Following that, individually I have called the insert1. So this will be inserting records into the MongoDB as a bulk operation. That's the thing. It's very easy. To know more about bulk operation, you can just search for MongoDB bulk operation. So this is the method, that is bulk write, which is used in MongoDB command line. In Python also we do similar operation. As you can see here in this example, it's given very clearly. We have insert one, update many, replace one, delete one, and delete many. These all operations will be done in a single step. So that's called bulk write. So the same thing I have did here. I just called insert one, and then I'm just inserting the documents over here. So the next one is GridFS demo. It's very simple. As you know that GridFS is used when you are going to store and retrieve documents or files which are greater than 16 MB allowed size. So if your file size is going to be greater than 16 MB, you have to use GridFS. We are going to see how to use GridFS in Python. It's very simple and straightforward. I have just imported GridFS. Following this, I have called GridFS over here. So for saving the file to MongoDB, I am using fs.put method. I have put two different files. One is a PDF and another one is an image file. And similarly, to retrieve them, I have used find one method, and then I have read the file content over here. So let me run this one. Yes. So two are saved. And similarly, this one is retrieved. Let me cross check the same. On refreshing, we must see GridFS. Yes, we got it. View. Yeah. So the files are saved here. On clicking this, I must be able to see the file content. So this is a file which is saved in the MongoDB server. We did that through our Python code. And this is the image file. Yes, the files are saved over here, and I have retrieved the files. Path out is here. So this is the file output created. It's the same. It's very simple and straightforward. You just need to import GridFS in the top. So after this, call the GridFS, and then call the put method to save the file and read method to read the file. That's it. So it's very simple and straightforward. So this is how Python works with MongoDB. It's plain simple and straightforward. For more information, visit the documentation page of PyMongo, where there is a separate example section which gives you a good idea about how to work with Python and MongoDB.